When a sponsor designs a clinical trial, one of the first questions they have to answer is, who's actually going to manage and analyze all of the clinical imaging? It sounds like a small detail, but it's not. Option one is to have the site analyze the imaging. That's when the radiologist or clinician at the study site interprets the images locally. It's fast, it's familiar, and for routine clinical care, it works perfectly. But in a clinical trial, especially when going to regulatory submission, site analysis has a real problem: variability. Every site has different physician PIs, different training, different tolerances for what counts as a response or a progression. And if the physician knows which treatment arm the patient is on, that's a bias risk you can't unring. Option two is a core lab, a centralized independent imaging facility that analyzes all the scans from your sites using one standardized protocol. Physician reviewers are blinded to treatment assignment. There's a quality control process. Every analysis is documented and auditable. That consistency is what regulators want to see. It's also what makes your endpoint defensible if your trial gets scrutinized. So why does it matter? If you're running an exploratory or early phase study, site analysis may totally be appropriate. But if imaging is your primary endpoint, if the trial lives or dies by what those scans show, a core lab isn't just nice to have, it's table stakes. The difference between a publishable result and a rejected submission can come down to who analyzed the imaging and how. At Medical Metrics, we've been the core lab for hundreds of trials across spine, orthopedics, cardiovascular, neurovascular, ENT, and peripheral vascular imaging. If you're designing a study and trying to figure out your imaging strategy, that's exactly the kind of conversation we would love to have. Drop a comment, send us a message, or find us at medicalmetrics.com. Thanks for watching.